The school library had always been a calm place. Sunlight slipped through tall windows, dust floating gently in the air. For Maya, it was the safest place in the building a world made of whispers and words. But one Monday morning, everything changed. A donation truck arrived with 5,000 old books. Their covers were faded, their titles barely visible. Some smelled like time itself. But oh dear, this will take years to organize. Students groaned. The library would be closed after school for months. But Maya didn't groan. She smiled. Maya loved two things more than anything else: stories and artificial intelligence. While others saw dusty piles, Maya saw a puzzle. What if the library could organize itself? That would be a miracle. Maybe not a miracle, just code. Maya began taking photos of every book cover. Some titles were clear, others were barely readable letters, cracked and faded. But Maya used computer vision, an AI that could see patterns humans often missed. Read the shapes, match the fonts, fill the gaps. On the screen, titles appeared. Journeys Beneath the Ice. The Heart of the Deep, Forgotten Fires of the Ocean. It can read that. It doesn't just read. It recognizes. But Maya didn't stop at titles. She scanned the first few pages of each book. Then she activated something even more powerful, a large language model. Summarize, understand, explain. The AI read thousands of pages in minutes. On the screen appeared short descriptions, a scientific journey into underwater volcanoes and deep-sea pressure. A fictional adventure set near thermal vents, a historical account of early ocean exploration. It's like the books are talking to each other. Maya connected everything together: titles, topics, themes, ideas, and then something magical happened. The screen transformed into a glowing map. Not a map of shelves, but a map of knowledge. This isn't a catalogue. It's a smart map. A student walked in. I need a book about underwater volcanoes, but not too technical. Maya typed the request. The AI didn't search for keywords. It searched for meaning. The map lit up. AI result, the heart of the deep. That doesn't even mention volcanoes in the title. Open it. This is exactly what I needed. Word spread fast. Students asked for stories about courage, books that felt like rain, adventures that start slow but end loud, and every time the map guided them. The library buzzed not with noise, but with excitement. I've never seen students this eager to read. A teacher approached Maya, so AI replaced the librarian. Maya shook her head. No, it just cleared the dust. She looked around the room, students reading, discovering, learning. AI doesn't tell stories. It helps us find them. The donation that once felt overwhelming became a treasure. The library was no longer just rows of shelves. It was a living map of ideas. And Maya proved something important. Artificial intelligence isn't about replacing imagination. It's about unlocking it. Every story was always there, waiting to be found.